The Charles Schwab Corporation is an American multinational financial services company. It offers banking, commercial banking, an electronic trading platform, and wealth management advisory services to both retail and institutional clients. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of logging into your Charles Schwab's account. So let's get started and find out how that can be done. First of all, open the app Charles Schwab. After that, tap on the login option at the top right. Now you can set your passcode by tapping on set my passcode. Otherwise, you can do it later by tapping on skip. I'll do this later in settings. Now to log in, all you have to do is enter your login ID. Enter your login ID and then tap on continue. After that, follow the further instructions provided, and finally you'll be logged into your Charles Schwab account. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Tech Quest. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.